The Happy and Fast Dust. Oh my gosh! This guy is driving so slow. What is up with these frickin' people? Let's go! Come on! Gosh, I get people like this every time. Every time. What is up? Do they not know what the speed limit is? It's 55 on the country! Let's go!
And then you hit my car. What is that, dude? I should beat you with this bat.
You should probably put that away, sir.
No, I'm not going to put it away until you find a solution for this.
You're going 10 out of 55 all the way down this street. And then you just randomly brake check me? Can we just settle this nicely, please?
I don't know how you can settle this nicely. You just rammed into my back end of my car.
This all new Happy and Fast Dust.
What is that? What is that going to do?
This is what's going to do.
Oh, sir. I'm so sorry. Why was I yelling at you?
Because I accidentally hit you. We got a deal then?
Yes, it's a very good deal, sir.
Alright, now that we got that settled, let me tell you about my new product, Happy and Fast Dust.
It really works. Trust me.
This product takes those angered people that never settle no matter what you do or say, and it makes them happy instantly, like you just saw 30 seconds ago.
I'm happy now.
Let me tell you how this works. This just takes it, you take a handful, throw it at the person, and they're instantly happy. Like this. So if you'd like to order what millions have already tried, call 1-981-HAPPY and Fast Dust. Once again, that's 1-981-HAPPY and Fast Dust. Call now.